So what's up? Kamusta? Ayos pa tayo dyan? So ngayong araw na to, pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa pinakasulit na adventure bike ngayon dito sa Pinas. Ito ang Bristol ADX 160. So ano nga bang meron dito at kung bakit nga ba sulit ang ganitong motorcycle? Umpisahan na natin yung vlog. Ayos na ayos yan.
Push past all the pain that you're going through. It won't last if you move how you wanna move. Get lost in the work that you gotta do to be someone better. You can grow into something new.
Para naman sa presyo ng Bristol ADX 160 ay nagkakahalaga lang naman sa cash ng 178,000. So sa tingin nyo, sulit nga ba ngayong 2024 yung ganitong motorcycle? Adventure bike ang hanap mo? Ano nga ba ang meron dito at kung bakit ganun siya kaganda? At kung bakit sulit daw ang ganitong motorcycle ni Bristol? Alamin nga natin yan. Ang Bristol ADX 160 ay naka-liquid cooled, single cylinder at naka 4-stroke tayo rito. Sa kanyang displacement meron itong 155cc. Transmission, naka-CVT tayo rito. At syempre, hindi rin magpapatalo to pagdating sa maximum power. Meron itong 10 kilowatts at 8,500 RPM na may maximum torque na 14 Nm at 5,500 RPM. Ano sa tingin nyo? May ibubuga ba siya sa mga ibang ADB na ganitong adventure bike? Comment nyo nga yun sa baba. At syempre sinubukan nating sakyan to. 5 to ang aking height. Ang overall dimension nito ay 1,970 by 740 by 1,240 mm na may wheelbase na 1,330 mm. Sa seat height naman, 790 mm. Medyo mabigat ang isang to. Nasa around 151 kilograms. At kung nagbabala kayong bumili ng ganito, katulad ko na 5 to ang height, check nyo mabuti kung pasok nga ba sa taste nyo yung ganitong motorcycle. Magagawa naman ng paraan yan kung ito talaga yung gusto natin bilhin, di ba? Walang imposible sa atin, di ba? Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ito nga palang naka-inverted forks. Ito yung ADX. Pero yung naka-telescopic forks is yung ADS 160. Dalawang variant lang naman yan. Yung naka-wide spoke at naka-mags. Para naman sa rear, naka-dual shock tayo rito at meron na rin siyang baso para sa magandang play ng shock natin dito. Para sa kanyang fuel tank capacity, meron tayo ritong 11 liters. Malayo nang mararating mo bago ka magpagas dito. Dahil sa fuel consumption nito na around 43 kilometers per liter. Ayos na rin, di ba? Para sa kanyang tires and brake, meron tayo rito sa front na 110 by 80 by 14, naka-tubeless. Naka-single disc brake naman tayo rito. Sa rear naman, meron tayong 130 by 70 by 13, naka-tubeless na rin tayo rito. At naka-single disc brake na rin sa likod. Ang Bristol ADS or ADX 160, meron tayo ritong ABS sa kanyang front. Naka-TFT display na rin tayo rito. Naka-EFI at meron na rin tayo ritong start-stop system. Lahat ng ilaw nito ay naka-LED na rin at meron tayo ritong USB charging port at kagandahan ay naka-keyless na rin tayo rito. So ayun, alam na natin kung bakit sulit ang ganitong motorcycle ng Bristol ADX or ADS 160. So sana nakatulong tong video na to. Hanggang dito na lang. Kita-kita na lang ulit tayo bukas. I'm Mark D. Ciao. Subscribe. Sige na.
I'm in to help, you're all alone in this world and this life, embrace it. I know it might seem hard, it might seem tough, it may sound rough, but this state of mind will get you through a lot of stuff and keep you accountable to stay strong when it's tough. No help, I do it by myself, couldn't even tell it I've been through well. But on the other side came a soldier, much bolder, standing broad shoulders. Step aside and give me the controller, I came here to win, I don't lose, high roller. I wanna be the best in the game, yeah I came to play and invest, stay colder. Against my mind, it makes it last. The thoughts holding me back. excuse. No matter how I do feel, I still gotta prove that I'm better. I never say never, I work all alone, I don't work together. I got big moves and they coming soon. I'ma be a tycoon in the boardroom. Everything is fine-tuned, got no excuse. Coming back like new anytime I move. Call it resurrection, I'm obsessing. Got a new obsession, so obsessive. Strive for perfection, never second. I just wanna be a legend, don't forget it. I like to be pushed to my limits, I work till I'm finished. I hurt till I'm winning, till the thirst starts again. It takes me back to beginning, a cycle let me spinning. That's why I'm alive and I fight every minute to be worthy. I can't quench this thirsty, I'm motivated but I never get worried. I have faith I can win any journey, I just have to put my head down and keep working. I love conquest, I love progress. I feel so blessed that I get to reinvest all my time into doing what I love. It took a long time but now my work is my drug. Each day I get to create something new that I used to motivate. Inspire the next to be better than the best, to fight for success and to get some respect. It's earned not given, I'll teach if you listen, I'll give if you're driven. You'll win in a minute, each day keep chipping at the goal and you'll get it. Don't fold, you'll regret it, just work till you get it on. Don't stop till I'm at the top, I won't give up till my heart finally stops. I'm not lost, my goal is my rock and each day is another chance, another shot. So I'll work hard and I'll learn scars and I'll give hard, never letting down my guard. Been a long arc to get to this mark, but I got more things I want, so I'm gonna start. This is war against my mind. It makes it lacks the thoughts holding me back from mine, and I need more. This is war. My mind is so fixated on your goal, I'm finally in control. Push past all the pain that you're going through. It won't last if you move how you wanna move. Get lost in the work that you gotta do to be someone better. You can grow into something new. I could be anything that I set my mind to. I do what I need, I can push right through. Fight through those things that are holding me back from the life that I like to have. I'm like, give me time, I'll be just fine. You thought I was worth leaving behind? Get out of your mind, I'll come back better than ever, no matter the weather. Greater than I've ever been, that's my new endeavor. Woo. I work hard so the sweat coming off my chin. On par with the greatest that have ever done it. I'm new, coming back better than before. But don't look at me, cause you closed the door. So watch out and fear me now. I can get real mean if you sell me out. I can get real green, got me hulking now. I don't forget those things, don't hear me loud. I focus on myself, I focus on my health. The greatest revenge is building up yourself. Your life and your drive, building up